8th of August 2024 will live on in the memory of Indian sports fans for eternity. After all, following a long and frustrating medal drought in the Paris Games, India picked up 2 podium places yesterday through brilliant performances that ignited a billion dreams. As the sun set over the gargantuan Stade de France, Indian athletics' superstar stepped out to defend his javelin gold. But Neeraj Chopra was up against a glittering field and found himself on the back foot early as Pakistan's big hope Arshad Nadeem hurled a jaw-dropping throw with his javelin falling 92.97 meters away and setting an Olympic record. When Neeraj, who had fouled with his first attempt, lined up to make his crucial second throw, the weight of the world must have been on his shoulders. The Indian was egged on by a packed crowd, many of them waving the Indian tricolor. There was a spring in his step as Neeraj hurled a massive throw of 89.45 meters. Not enough to give him the gold again, but enough to make history. Neeraj became the first Indian track and field athlete to win back-to-back Olympic medals with this silver win and added to his already astonishing legacy.
मेरे ऊपर भी खुद पे भरोसा था, मेरे दिमाग में ही चल रहा था कि मैं सेकंड थ्रो में जो करना, बहुत ज़्यादा जोश था अंदर, बहुत ज़्यादा। पर वही है कि जितना बॉडी का साथ था उसके हिसाब से थ्रो अच्छी लगी। हर चीज़ अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, रनवे अच्छा आना चाहिए, टेक्निक अच्छी आनी चाहिए, वो नहीं थी। बस ज़बरदस्ती थ्रो मारी है वो भी जो लगी है। अगर वही है कि अगर सब चीज़ें अच्छी होंगी तो कितनी अच्छी थ्रो लगेगी, तो उन चीज़ों पे काम करना है अभी।
In hockey, India rode captain Harmanpreet Singh's 2 penalty corner conversions to beat Spain 2-1 and clinch a second successive Olympic bronze. Harmanpreet Singh.
जो हमें अपने आप पे बिलीव था डे वन से कि हम अच्छा करेंगे इसमें, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो गोल्ड का सफ़र था वो नहीं हम कर पाए। बट आई थिंक जो हमने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है और बैक टू बैक जीता है, ये हिस्ट्री है, हॉकी के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है और इंडिया के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है।
The 2 medals opened the floodgate of emotions back home as well as Stadia here in Paris, thronged by Indian fans. In wrestling, in the 57 kg category, Aman Sehrawat fought brilliantly throughout the day before getting knocked out in the semi-final. He will fight for a bronze medal today in what will be India's 6th medal of the campaign. Also in action will be Indian women golfers Diksha Dagar and Aditi Ashok in the 3rd round of women's individual stroke play. Meanwhile, the highly touted men's and women's 4x400 relay teams will also take part in qualifying. This is Shaurya Chaudhary reporting for Akashvani from Paris.